Okay, so adding colour to the lips. I'm going to start off with the rose pink, and I'm going to carefully colour in the whole of the lips with that particular colour there. You will notice that I'm not actually pressing particularly hard with the rose pink, because you can still see little bits of the paper coming through, but I am filling in the whole of the space of the lips. Okay, so I've filled in all that space in there. Once I've done that, then I'm going to go in with this pink here, the sort of peach pink, and I'm just going to mix that pink lightly. I'm not pressing particularly hard. I'm mixing that flesh pink with the rose pink. What I'm trying to do is get rid of any of the little bits of paper that I can see coming through. Okay, so I'm just circular motion mixing the rose pink with the peach pink that I've got there. The reason I do this is the rose pink is too bright on its own, so therefore you need to add the peach over the top to deaden the brightness a little bit. So once I've got that there, what will happen, you will find that your top lip is darker than the bottom lip. So what I'm doing now is just over the top lip, I'm now mixing in a light grey, just to darken that top lip slightly there. Okay, so I've created that there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm also going to go in with the grey, and I'm going to make it slightly darker in the corners. And I'm going to make it slightly darker with the grey on the bottom line of the bottom lip. So I've created that you see there. Next, what I do is I go in with the black pencil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all add that line that goes through the centre of the lips like that there. I'm also going to use the black pencil, and I'm going to use it like I would normally a pencil. And I'm just going to shade in the side there. I'm not pressing massively down with the pencil because I don't want it to be jet black. But what I'm doing is I'm just shading and darkening the corners of the lips there and blending that in. Okay, so I've got the darker line at the bottom, and I've got slightly darker at the side of the lips there. I'm also going to use the pencil, but I'm not pressing very hard. But what I'm doing is I'm just sort of adding or tidying up that top line there a little bit. Okay, once I've got that, I'm also going to use the pencil to sort of just add a darker line and a bit of shading at the bottom of the lips there. Once I've got that, I'm pretty much nearly there. I'm going to use a white now, and I'm going to use a corner of the white, and I'm going to create little strokes that come down in a line. And what that will do is that creates that strip in the middle of the bottom lip where the light hits it. Okay, so you need a white strip along the bottom there. And as I said, what I'm doing is I'm using little lines going down to create that. Once you've done that there, that is pretty much all you need to do.